NASA stereo SUNCAM. You've got your two cameras going around the sun. People are picking up all sorts of strange artifacts, NASA say that they're compression artifacts. You can see some of the starlight has been chunked into artificial squares, so you've got what should have been a sort of radiant star looks like a chessboard and all this kind of stuff. You're getting these kind of pixel crunches. Now that's caused by putting it through a Photoshop filter and a high pass filter. Just a filter is just crunches up the pictures. You can see even in NASA's high resolution pictures, you can see squares. You can see the kind of really distorted the images so that you can't see very much. But in these pictures you're seeing stuff, and this stuff is not created by image compression artifacts and stuff like that. You're seeing genuine spaceships, genuine infrastructure, genuine alien architecture. In this picture you can see what looks like a sort of spherical ship with sort of tentacles basically, and these are probably used for engineering or manipulating external loads, maybe under the surface of the sun itself. Next up is something that looks like a factory, a floating factory. You'll not believe this stuff. It's like it's got kind of chimney stacks, and it's got like spherical objects on either end of it. It's quite strange stuff, but if the aliens are mining out our solar system or have got massive infrastructure in our solar system, then it wouldn't surprise me at all. They might well be using the sun as an entry and exit point into higher dimensions, a nice cheap easy energy escalator to get them up. You can see that it's a totally artificial thing. It might be something part in an asteroid, but that is totally artificial. These are artificial objects. Beyond a doubt, you're looking at artifice there, orbiting artifice at that. Even more, you notice in the bottom right hand corner of this particular picture of the sun, you will see some very, very strange things. And what you're about to see, just gobsmackingly obvious that it's not anything other than just huge big ships, or maybe ships quite close to us actually, because I suspect that these, there's the first one. It's like a sort of pointed, it's got 3 drives, you can see the symmetry in it. It's still like something out of Star Wars, that big ship heading into the sun basically, diving into the sun, going up the frequencies, heading to warp. Yeah, quite easy to make out the silhouette of it, quite incredible. And the next one, well, that just speaks for itself, doesn't it? Look at it. One big triangular block. It's like a train actually. It's like a sort of steam engine, or it's not actually obviously, but it's a big triangular, maybe a big freighter, big mothership or something. It's a massive bit of hardware, that right in front of our noses.